Hey, how's it going guys? So just before the video gets started, I wanted to give a massive thank you to everyone who has supported me in this channel, and I finally reached 1000 subscribers. So I just wanted to say that it means a lot to me and I really appreciate you guys. But yeah, without further ado, here's the video. So for those of you who are about to get their Steam Decks or going to get it in the future, or already have it maybe, and possibly you don't know about this, but the Steam Deck runs on Linux, which and most games are designed specifically for like Windows. So that means some of them will be unsupported or won't run as well. Like I will have like issues and like stuttering effects maybe, or frame drops. But there is a way to make like pretty much any unsupported game run well on the Steam Deck, improve the performance of the current games you have by like some better FPS, for example, less stuttering, and yeah, just make them compatible. So I wanted to give that tip to those of you who might not know yet, like how to do it. So to begin with, you just go to the desktop mode of your Steam Deck. So once you are in your Steam Deck desktop mode, you're just going to go to the Discover Software Center. Now the Steam Deck, well, Valve made something called this really cool piece of like software called Proton, which makes Windows games compatible for the Steam Deck, and they unfortunately couldn't get the this full version of Proton, but you can still go to the Discover store here and get the full version, which is gonna give you like the latest versions of Proton to like make them compatible for your Steam Deck. Yeah, once you're in the store, you don't need to click on any of these over here. You just go to the search icon here, and hold the Steam and X to bring up the keyboard. Yeah, just type in Proton, and once you do, you should see something called the Proton Up Qt. I've already installed it, but once you have that installed, you can press launch here. Now once you have that launched, you are able to install the latest like ProtonGEs. So as of right now, I have GE Proton 726 installed, and this will allow me to, for example, with this current build, even though Halo Infinite was not playable before, this has allowed me to make the game playable. You won't be able to find that in just normal Steam. So yeah, it's really quick, really easy. Just go to the software Discover store, you search Proton, and once you launch it, you just you click on here. There's a little icon there, add version. And once you're in there, you just select the type of thing you want. But for now, we're obviously going with ProtonGE. And you can see the latest one. So right now mine's even a little outdated, so I'm going to be going for Proton 29, for example, and you just need to install it. That's all it takes. So yeah, it will take some time to install, but once that's done, I'll get back to you guys. So my ProtonGE 29 finally got installed. After that's done, you don't need to do anything else from here. You just exit it, and you can just go to your normal return to game mode after that. Once you are in here, now you have the option, for example, let me see if I've got any to give you. Yeah, for example, Injustice 2. It says it's unsupported, that it doesn't work, or Valve just hasn't tested it. All you have to do is click on that little gear icon, go to properties, and from here you can go to compatibility, and you just have to press this, force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool, and from there you can select the Proton that you installed through the Proton Qt app. So yeah, I'm going to go for the latest one, Proton 29. And once that's done, you can just launch your game and everything should work fine. So here's Injustice 2, an unsupported game running really well on the Steam Deck. I played online, single player matches, story mode as well, and all of it ran 60 FPS really smoothly. My maxed out Batman as well here. But remember, you can also use Proton to make non-Steam games work as well. So once you add them through the Steam launcher, such as, for example, I've added Marvel Ultimate Alliance 1 and 2, which are no longer on Steam, Dead Cells, and yeah, they work perfectly fine. You can also install Heroic Games Launcher, which allows you to launch like GOG games, Blizzard, Epic Game Store games, everything like that. But yeah, I hope you guys found that video really useful, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.